myself Namrata Iyer, lecturer of Bilasa Institute of Nursing, Bilaspur. Today is International Nurses Day. I wish you all of you happy International Nurses Day. So each and every year we are celebrating International Nurses Day on 12th of May because this is all about the important work is nurses do. But because of the COVID-19, the nurses has a sparkle like more than ever. And every year International Nurses Day has come their new topics with the new themes for the health care. And this year the theme is a voice to lead, a vision for healthcare, which seek to how the nursing will look into the future as well, the profession, the next stage and the health care. This Nurses Day we are giving tribute to our hard working fighters, our nurses. Thank you so much for your support, for your hard work and your kindness and your humanity and your support and your care are really appreciated. Thank you once again. Thank you so much and happy International Nurses Day.
Good morning. Myself Shweta Agrawal, and today is our International Nurses Day. On this auspicious occasion of day, I telling something about nurses. So you are the super duper nurses. You have compassion, knowledge and good humility. You are the quality of care that motherly touches the heart of the patient, their relatives, so that turns sympathy into comfort. Your care, love and compassion is important as the medicine prescribed by the doctor. So this wonderful day or auspicious day, I salute every nurses, those who work in the hospital sector as well as the institutional area. Happy Nurses Day to all.
Lecturer at Bilasa Institute of Nursing. Wish all the nurses a very happy Nurses Day. On this day, I share a wonderful thought with all the nurses, as it says, way back before you can born, God knows there was a need. So God picked your fertile heart and planted a caring seed. And thus, nurses are that seed when the first breath is taken and the last breath is taken. Although it is more enjoyable to celebrate the birth, but it is just as more important to comfort in death. I appreciate and thanks all the nurses for their strongness and efforts which is taken by them, leaving behind all worries and their loved ones, still standing as a fighter in the country during COVID-19.
Hello, I am Pratima Bhardwaj, Clinical Instructor of Bilasa Institute of Nursing, Bilaspur. First of all, I want to wish you all the nurses, wish you a very happy and warm International Nurses Day. And I proud to myself that I am a clinical instructor and I am making good nurses for future. And I am proud to all the nurses and thank you so much all the nurses who are fighting against COVID-19. All the best. Wish you a very happy Nurses Day.
I am Pushpa Kausi, BSc Nursing Tutor, Bilasa Institute of Nursing, Bilaspur. Happy Nurses Day to all of you. Nurses are always there. You care from us the earliest year. You look after us in the happiest and saddest time, and many more you look after us, our families, at the end of our lives. Your dedications and professionalism are be inspiring. Thank you again. Happy Nurses Day.
Myself Nandini Diwan, Nursing Tutor at Bilasa Institute of Nursing, Bilaspur. First of all, Happy Nurses Day to all. As the front line of healthcare, nurses bear the additional responsibility of education their patients and general public on how to stay healthy and prevent the virus from spreading, while information on things like proper hand washing, sanitation and social distancing can be found from any sources. Nurses play and perform important role of our life. Thank you so much.
Heartbeat of our healthcare system. You are fabulous and doing a great job. I want to say thank you for your contribution to the pandemic. You have worked tirelessly to keep our community.
Nurses out there, thank you for doing all the selfless work you do during this pandemic. The world is gonna recover from this pandemic very soon, all because of your hard work. Happy International Nurses Day.
Hello, my all lovely friends. I am Babli Sahu. I study in Bilasa Institute of Nursing, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Today is very special day because today is International Nurses Day and Happy International Nurses Day. Thanks for taking such good care of people in the most difficult day their life. Thanks for your unconditional services and patience. Then once more again, Happy Nurses Day.
Mrs. Babita Kure, tutor of Bilasa Institute of Nursing, Bilaspur, wishes all nurses a very warm, happy International Nurses Day. Would like to share view regarding the day. As we see people suffer from COVID-19, still nurses stand up in this critical situation. So salute all the nurses for their work and strongness to stand and fight for all.
My name is Ankita Gritlare. I am a student of BSc Nursing second year from Bilasa Institute of Nursing College, Bilaspur. Today is the 201 birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, and every year on 12th May we are celebrate her birthday legacy with the Nurses Day. As you all know that the COVID-19 pandemic disease how much spread and dangerous and affect our healthy life, and this time the nurses will be continue to able in the front line of the patient care in during COVID-19 pandemic, and in the hospital and community. Nursing is a dynamic and a therapeutic process to provide a health need care in the individual, family, and society. I salute all nurse, and once again Happy Nurses Day to all. Thank you.
Kali Yadav. I am the student of BSc Nursing third year, and today is a International Happy Nurse Day. So नर्स के बारे में मैं कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ। न रातों को सो रही हो, न अपने दुखों में रो रही हो, निजी सुखों को त्याग कर है देश से जुड़ा तुम्हारा, बिना भेदभाव के ख्याल रखती हो, है आम जनमानस से लगाव तुम्हारा। नर्स एक ऐसी सेवा सत्कार करने वाली एक वुमेन है या फिर एक इंडिविजुअल है जो बिना भेदभाव के सबका केयर करती है। एंड मैं दूसरा थॉट बोलना चाहती हूँ फॉर नर्स के लिए। यू डोंट बिल्ड अ हाउस विथआउट इट्स फाउंडेशन, एंड यू डोंट बिल्ड अ हॉस्पिटल विथआउट इट्स नर्स। सो इसका मतलब है यू डोंट बिल्ड अ हाउस, हम नहीं बना सकते, तुम नहीं बना सकते एक मकान को या फिर एक घर को विथआउट इट्स फाउंडेशन, बिना फाउंडेशन या फिर बिना मटेरियल के हम एक घर को नहीं बना सकते। उसी तरह एक हॉस्पिटल को या फिर एक इंस्टीट्यूशनल बनाने के लिए एक नर्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। बिना नर्स के एक हॉस्पिटल हम नहीं बना सकते। So I am proud of you.
Hello everyone, I am Ms. Zeba Parveen, student of BSc Nursing 4th year from Bilasa Institute of Nursing. On the occasion of Nurses Day, I want to thank every nurses to put herself on the front line. I greatly appreciate their service. May God bless all the nurses and keeps all safe. Thank you for their hours of hard work and their devoted labor. Happy Nurses Day to all, and thank you all of you.
From Bilasa Institute of Nursing, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Thank you is not enough. I wish I could take some of the worries, pain and heartbreak from you. I wish I could mail you an extra large package of extra energy, strength, love and compassion that you needed every day. Thank you so much for taking our loved ones when they need you every day. Thank you so much.
From Bilasa Institute of Nursing College, Bilaspur. Here I thank all the nurses and healthcare team for helping us and supporting us. We thank you from bottom of our heart for serving on the front lines of this pandemic. Nurses, paramedicals, physicians and housekeepers are the heart and soul of the war against COVID-19. Thank you, and once